So we just finished solving a system of simultaneous linear equations using the graphical method, where we graphed each line and then found out where they crossed. The next question on this quiz is that we should solve this system using any method. All right. Now, if you look closely at this system, you can see that this positive y and this negative y are opposites. So knowing that and seeing that, I'm going to solve this system of equations using the elimination method. I'm simply going to write 2x underneath the 2x minus y underneath the positive y underneath and 12 under here. So I lined up the x's, the y's, and the constants, the numbers. Doing that makes it so that I can very simply add vertically each of these items and see what I come up with. I purposefully am going to add them together because I can see that a positive y plus a negative y is going to leave me with a 0 down here. So all I will have left is this x and this 2x. So x plus 2x is equal to 3x. This is 0. And 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. Now, a lot of you subtracted. The word elimination makes people think of subtraction. And so a lot of you subtracted and you went, well, x minus 2x is negative x and y minus y is 0. If you subtract, then y minus a negative y is actually 2y. Remember, minus a negative is positive. So you need to be careful. Make sure you add every time and you set up the equations so you're adding every time. And I'll show you that when we do this one as well. Now, what we've effectively done here by adding this bottom equation to this top equation is eliminated one of the variables so that now I can solve this for x. If I divide both sides by 3, I get x equals 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Cool? Some of you left that, said, oh, I'm done, I got a value. No, the solution to an equation in two variables has two numbers, an x number and a y number. We haven't found y yet. So I'm going to take that 7 and put it back in here, and I get 7 plus y equals 9. All I did was replace the x with the 7. 7 plus y is 9. If I subtract 7 from both sides, I get y equals 2. And I'm set. X is 7 and y is 2. That's my system. That is my solution set to those two equations. What that means is I know that those two equations cross at the coordinates 7, 2. X is 7, y is 2. So I can look at this graph and go over to 7 and go up 2. And I know that wherever those two lines are, this one and this one, they cross right there. Okay?